Hello, John Mills Residential Mortgages. It's Thursday, December 29th. This is not just your weekly market update, it's also your year-end market update. So 2022 is coming to a close. It's been a year of a lot of interesting stuff in the real estate market. I won't rehash it all now, but I thought I would touch on a few things that I'm working on currently and some of the opportunities that are currently in the market. My morning coffee always says, "Morning sunshine," and that's it. It's the positive side of life and the opportunities that are out there. So I wanted to highlight a few of those things as we move into 2023. First thing that's new for our brokerage and for me, I'm working in tandem with a nonprofit called CCEDA, CCEDA, and it's a nonprofit that helps lower income housing. But what the role that our brokerage, South Bay Equity Lending, is involved with is that we are helping. There are grants available for ADUs, accessory dwelling units, for people who are building ADUs, and there's a $40,000 grant, and we're the preferred lender from CCEDA. So all this saying that we're helping people build ADUs, get grants, but then we're also the preferred lender. So if they need financing to help finance the project, we're involved with that. So if you know anybody that is thinking about building an ADU, wants to know more about an ADU, have them give me a call, reach out. So we're involved in that. It's something new, and it's something that's introducing us to a lot of folks. So it's been really great. A quick touch on the mortgage market. The Fed raised the federal funds rate again another 0.5% in December. So the prime interest rate 7.5. They also signaled that they'll probably raise rates again one more time, or not, scratch that, not one more time, that they will raise rates again in 2023. But mortgage rates, which aren't tied directly to that, stabilized really since before Thanksgiving through now. Mortgage rates have stayed pretty much the same. So we'll see, so that next increase is already baked in the cake, so to speak. So I don't think we're going to be seeing an increase in rates from that. It's probably just going to be driven by other market forces. So more to come, but it's been pretty stable right now. The real estate market, typical holidays, transaction activity and number of houses listed tends to slow down a little bit. And so what's coming up, January, February, more houses should be coming on the market. So we should be having more interest from buyers as well as sellers. So more activity. If you need a pre-approval, please give me a call, first-time home buyers, or if you're thinking about making a move. I wanted to talk a little bit about reverse mortgages. Reverse mortgages, there's definitely a stigma in the world, but really post-2000, there's a lot of regulation in place. This is just a loan, and it's a great tool for a lot of people. It's designed specifically for seniors 62 years and older, but it's different than a traditional, what they call forward mortgage, like the kind of mortgage that you're probably more familiar with, where you make a payment every month and the balance goes down. It's a mortgage, you still own your home, but instead of having to make a payment every month, they use the equity in the home to make that payment for you. So the great tool of it is, if you're 62 and older, they're not going to really look at your income. Income's sort of a secondary factor. The real factors that are going to drive qualification are, you have to have a lot of equity in the home, and you have to be 62 and older. And the older you are, the more they will lend. So there's a lot of detail to it, but it is an awesome tool for folks, especially in this market where home prices have really gone up and appreciated. So they have more wealth in their home, but inflation is high, so money is tighter. Imagine you get to live in your house for the rest of your life and never have to make another mortgage payment. And your heirs will never inherit any debt. That's all taken care of. The lender, the sale of the house will always cover the debt, so they can't pass along debt with this. So it's a really good tool for the right situation. But if there's any interest, you just want fact finding. I've done a lot of them, so I have a lot of expertise in this field, and happy to talk about or consult or anything. All that, any consultation, there's no obligation, no cost, anything like that. So that's my quick opportunities in the marketplace, whether it's the ADU market, it's the new homes coming on the market into 2023 with more inventory soon to hit the market, interest rates pretty stable right now, and then reverse mortgage opportunities for improved cash flow and a better retirement. That's it for me today. That's it for me for this year. But I wish everybody a happy new year, and let's go get them in 2023.